maraming salamat mga batang Maynila. I hope, well, maiayos natin ulit ang so we're very optimistic that with the help of the people of Manila, we can make Manila great again.
His opponents, Lacuna and Sam Versosa, have both conceded.
Kwarto sa baba.
In Quezon City, Mayor Joy Belmonte also backed the third
Ito yung
term,
living area,
winning with
yung
more than a
kusina.
million votes. This is Belmonte's final
Ito
term
yung
as chief executive
service
of
area
the
sa
largest
likod.
city in the metro.
And then, ito yung CR sa baba.
So we'd like to concentrate more on improving education.
Ma'am, pwede po.
Siyempre kasama na yung pagpapagawa ng mga kalalahan at
May
mga
tao.
tao ng mga bata. And then, of course, healthcare is so important. And we're in the process of building one new hospital.
Hindi, ano lang. Sa taas lang, sa may CR lang.
Meanwhile,
Ito yung service area sa likod.
Senator Nancy Binay won the mayoralty post. She replaces
Laundry
her sister
area.
Rapi to finish 3 terms. The Binay family has held the mayoralty post for 3 decades, starting in 1995 with their father, former President General
Ito po yung kwarto, ay yung CR sa taas. Then, ito yung second room. So, medyo malaki talaga, mahaba din siya. Then, ito po yung third room. Kasi yun. Ito po yung CR sa taas, ma'am. Ito.
Huwag na lang to. Malaki yung...
Okay lang po.
Di ba ni Stanley Abby yung ano, ni Amanda?
Meron po.
Yung picture.
Jervis Manahan, ABS-CBN News.
The ruling clans of the Philippine cities of Davao and Cebu meet different fates